Hello everybody, it's Kelly. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing an unboxing for the $1 box for January of 2026. If you're not familiar with this, it's a monthly box that I get. It's $19.50 a month. And then there is a bag in here, 8 strands of fire polished beads for $8. So it's $1 a strand. If you add it onto your monthly bill, if you get it just one time, it's $10. So it's still even a good deal for that. So I have a coupon code BNJewelry2 for $2 off your first order with them. So let's see. Let's see. So it says January Speed Box is a cozy mix designed to ease you into the new year with creative and calm. Soft greens paired with beautiful warm browns, creating a grounded, earthy palette, while touches of topaz and gold add just the right hint of glow and optimism. Settle in and let your ideas unfold naturally as the year begins. Oh, these are really pretty. Oh, hello. And let's see what's in here. I always love getting this. Such a fun box. Oh, pretty. Oh, we got kitties. We got kitties. I don't know if you remember, if you saw my last video where I told you we just rescued a little dog. She's a Westie. Her name is Piper. I will attach a video at the end of this. We've had her, I think, 3 days now. It's been a whirlwind in my house. I'm trying to film, and she's just running around the house like crazy. So we're getting situated, all of us. So she's so sweet, though. Oh, my gosh. She's just a love. So glad we were blessed to get her. So she's a year old, and she is full of, as my grandma used to say, piss and vinegar. So, okay, so let me get all of this set up. Oh, these are cool, and I'll be right back. Okay, so we are starting out with the 3mm strands. If you hear her barking back there, I can't help it. She's new, and she's still getting used to it. She talks back a lot. She's got a lot to say. So these are the 4 3mm strands. There's olive travertine, crystal fern, green luster, travertine or white alabaster forest green luster, and white alabaster army green luster. So these are the 4 of the green ones, 3mm. They're so pretty. I'm not sure which one's which. I'm confused with these names because they're all so gorgeous, though. So there's those. And then these are the 4 4mm strands. There's olive travertine luster, matte olive or matte olive Maria, white alabaster army green luster, and chartreuse nebulous luster or jet speckled bronze luster. This is probably the jet speckled bronze, but so look at all of these. Look at these. These are so pretty. So I love them. Usually I can tell them apart a little better, but these are all so close together. So you get these 8 strands for $8. And if you buy them once, you get these 8 strands for $10. So that is still a great price, no matter how you look at it. So these are absolutely gorgeous. And now we're going to go to the box. So we're starting off with, I think this is, so it says 4mm check glass English cut olive luster, 25 pieces. I think that's what this is. It doesn't look olive though to me, but it's a luster. So I think this is the one that they're talking about, but it's really pretty. So we've got that one. And then next we've got a 6mm check fire polish crystal forest green luster, 20 pieces. This is absolutely gorgeous. Look at those. I love, love, love their fire polish beads. I love that you just get a couple of everything too. You know, you can, even if you just make earrings, you can, this is such a great box. And next is the 6mm Lucerna Bicone Light Topaz or Topaz Opal. I think this is light topaz, 25 pieces. You get this, very pretty. And next is 3mm check glass Druck opaque turquoise, 40 pieces. These make great spacer beads. It's not too big, but it's just big enough to make a statement on a piece of jewelry. And next is a 4mm check glass Druck topaz, 50 pieces. So these are really pretty. Gorgeous. And last but not least for the strands, this is an 8mm check glass daisy green topaz, 12 pieces. Look at how cute these little ones are. Cute they are. Oh my gosh. I can't wait to work with this box. Okay, so now let me get this and let me get up. Okay, so now we're working with the 7x19mm check glass faceted oval in matte jet mocha. These are so pretty. Let me get, so they have like, oh, they have like, I don't know if you can see that. They have the striations in there. It'll make it easier to see it in the white, but they have the striations in there. They're so pretty. These are gorgeous. And next are 6x11mm check glass leaves in green opal with copper, 12 pieces. And these, they're right there. So these are really pretty. I love the detailing in these leaves too. They're tiny, but they have so much detailing in them. Okay. And next is 14mm check glass cabochons in matte green luster. Oh, these are pretty. These are really pretty. And that's the other side. So the luster's on both sides. So if you want to bead around it and have part of the back showing, you can. Very pretty. Okay, and next are 8mm check glass bell flowers in honey brown, 8 pieces. So, and they go that way. So pretty. Okay, and next we have more flowers. These are 7x10mm check glass tulips maroon with turquoise, 4 pieces. These are so pretty. Each one is just a little bit different. And when you see them, it's kind of like, and they're on both sides. Okay, these are fun. Let me see. 8x20mm check glass drops, turquoise copper wash or matte white copper wash, 2 pieces. She's so funny. My husband's gonna take her on a walk soon. So there we have that. Okay. And next is 12x17mm check glass lacy tier, topaz with gold or topaz with silver, 2 pieces. So we've got these. These are really pretty. These are good for dangle earrings. Okay. And next are 10 millimeter antique brass flower bead caps, 6 pieces. So we have the back and the front of these. Very pretty. And next is 4 millimeter golden tiger eye, 15 pieces. These are really pretty. These are round with you get just a hole in the middle. And tiger's eye, so pretty. Pretty gemstone. It's a very, you know, it's funny because you can use it towards like a masculine piece of jewelry, or you can make it very feminine. It's one of those, you know, but depending on what you pair it with. You could do that with black and make like a bracelet for a man, or you could pair it with gold and some pearls and, you know, some pretty seed beads and make it for a woman. Okay, next is 12 millimeter check glass acid etched bicones, crystal with gold. Okay, so there's that. These are really pretty. Okay, and next is 7 millimeter antique brass round daisy spacers, 12 pieces. These are so pretty. Love me a good daisy spacer. These are usually when I get a box, a monthly box, these are usually the first thing to go. The daisy spacers beads like this, because you can use them in so many different things. And last but not least, we have kitties. 11 by 17 millimeter check glass cat, white with gold or gray with gold. This is the gray with gold. Speaking of kitties, I miss my grandkitties since they have moved out. So it's cute because they have the front and then they also have the back. So you get the back of the cat and the front of the cat. Well, this was such a beautiful box this month, although I'm never disappointed with them. Look at all these pretty beads we have to work with. Oh my gosh, look at those. Oh, how pretty. I can't even hold them all up there. So like I said, I have a coupon code for BN Jewelry 2 for $2 off your first box with them. I will leave a link below in the description for the their website and the coupon code, and all of the information below. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell and give me a thumbs up and even leave a comment. It really helps with my algorithm. And I will leave all of my social media below as well if you're interested. And thank you so much for watching and have a great day. What?